You're ready for the up and over.
I like the way with this, straight away we're like, yeah, hard.
Yeah, because we did it hard straight away last time.
It is annoying the noise it made, but I think it's just all the protection. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you stopped a bit prematurely that time.
Little bit, but not too much.
Nope.
And up.
Oh,
I did that time.
Yeah. That's what I thought you were going to do last time.
I didn't know how. Oh, the fishermen have gone. I was just trying to be a little bit respectful.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
I love the way you almost nailed the peak, but it was just like
little bit,
half a second.
I felt like I could fly over it, but I was trying not to sort of be too annoying at the same time. Is the GoPro recording?
Yeah.
You pressed it, didn't you?
I pressed it.
That big lake is just honestly so weird.
It is. What, the one you just keep going through?
Yeah. I think it was because as well I didn't know where you leave it, so it's like I don't know where to aim for.
No. I can't.
Right, this one I'm going to say avoid the hard.
Yeah.
And then I think the next one to do the hard, wasn't it? I need a wee again. I would need a wee.
I was going to say it's annoying because part of me is like, I can't. I just think
it's the bank I don't like the look of.
No.
This one I did the hard last time, didn't I?
Yeah, I think. Well, I think all of them from now on, they're a bit awkward, but and
yeah,
but
this one I'm pretty sure I did last time. What I'm going to do, I'm going to run a bit more of the bank this time, if I can. Yeah, like that. Side step.
Yeah.
You get to know the sounds, don't you?
I just hope no one comes along the other way. Because if they do the easy bit,
it's all one way. Yeah. Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
Because if they cut through, you're going to meet in the middle.
I feel like
I think if you keep that.
Yeah, that's what I did last time.
Yeah.
I was going to just take a bit more bank again because it'll either work. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice. Locked.
No.
Yeah. I think the car thought was going to be in the crash. Not crashing car, we're all safe.
Imagine if you drove down there by mistake.
Yeah. I think that tree would stop you.
Probably.
Crumple the roof at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just looking in case I needed the camera. Where it was. We've not needed a tow strap, Nana.
Yet.
And my feet are dry.
I don't know, we've still got to get through the water thing, yeah?
I know. I've got faith in her. She's tracking us well.
She is tracking us well.
And your driving is on form.
Professional Freelander driver.
Professional female Freelander
female.
driver.
Oh, I don't know. That's debatable.
FD.
That sounds a bit debatable, the female, but sometimes questionable.
Yeah.
It's not hit this tree. Nearly did last time.
It makes this seem wide.
It does, doesn't it? It makes it seem very simple. We go round on the road, it kind of feels like it.
I think everyone's done a lap and gone, yeah.
I feel like we'll do a couple and then do that probably.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready.
Willy, willy, willy.
Willy, willy, willy. Scratchy, scratchy, scratchy.
Wow, that bank.
Is it banky?
Oh, you wouldn't want to go down there. Put it that way. Considering you can't see it as you come up, you definitely need to keep it left there.
Yeah.
Whee! I feel like you might end up on your side. I don't fancy ending up on my side.
No?
Might break the mirror.
Watch for any brambles smacking you in the face.
Yeah.
Like this one.
I think them.
Char! I was ready to karate chop it.
I was going to say, I feel like that's more of an issue for you. I am going to do my window up a bit though, just in case. I'll keep a little downy.
A little, not a little uppy.
Not a little uppy, little downy.
A lot uppy.
Loppy. What? What I just said.
Squish you.
Ready?
Steady.
Small welly, not too big.
Not too big.
Just small welly, just to get us up.
Up, up and away.
And around. I know where we are now.
Yeah.
Suddenly when you see these bales, it's like, oh yeah, I know this.
The up and overs.
Ready?
Steady.
Ready? I think someone's driven through that bit.
Yes.
Ready? And you go.
These handles are a godsend.
Yeah, they are.
They just help support you.
And they're called Jesus handles or something.
Some people call them that.
Way up and up. And down. Way. It's literally on your fucking nose, isn't it?
Dusty. Dusty Miller.
Seatbelt locked and it's
Did you not want to do the logs?
No, it's the dip down I'm not sure about.
I know there's a bit of trim on that stump.
Yeah. It's just the dip down looks a bit too potentially dodgy. Are you ready? Do you remember how built this is?
Yeah. We've planed it off, can't you tell?
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, missed it.
And up and down. Is that a chimney?
I think it is, yeah.
I don't know if it's the same one, but there's one going around. I bet that's taking it like a champ.
Yes. I'll tell you what, if this don't blow a shock, nothing will.
Yeah. They're stronger than they look.
Yeah.
Oi.
Oi.
I'm getting used to that sensation now, that's fine.
Yeah.
I do wish my seatbelt would stop locking though.
I do
because I'm
wonder.
going to get decapitated.
Decapitator for seatbelt?
Yeah, because it's cutting through my neck, pretty much. My head's just going to be in the footwell. You're going to have to take over because I won't be able to see because my head will be seeing my feet.
Excuse you.
Excuse me. I swear it shakes the burps out.
How many burps is Alana going to do round this one lap?
A couple more. Right. Ready?
Hey.
Ready.
Hey.
I bet this sounds worse from outside.
Yes.
Hey.
Hey. Oh yeah, the hidden dips.
Yep, ready? And dove. You do wait for the bang as you go into the tray, I must admit.
A little bit.
I'm sweating. I am doing a perspire.
Yeah, but you don't perspire, you're a woman.
Yeah, I perspire, I don't sweat.
Shall I do an interview with you while we're going around
I'm
this?
waiting for your head to hit the window.
Holy moly.
Holy smokes, I'm taking the easy route.
Are you taking the bridge?
I'm taking the easy route.
Good news. Just so I know to not do up my window this time.
Okay, this way. I'm wussing it. I don't know, this is quite tight. What do you think?
A little bit. It's still wider than some of the stuff. Excuse me. You planted all over me.
You have to trust the bridge is quite strong.
Well, the way it's ricketing, I'm not so sure about that.
Yeah, me neither.
It's warm. It's warm.
Well, we're going to be doing the windows up in a minute.
It's warm. Let's go right there again. Almost dried off.
Well, you're going to do the window up and this one might not stink as bad.
I'll do it up now just so I know.
Mine's open a little bit. But
Maybe everyone's stirred it up nicely.
probably. The hole's moved.
Yeah.
Do my window up. Ready?
Ready?
It's the noise as you hit
I
it.
feel for the tow bar. There. And then everyone goes, oh. Yeah. You got this, Freelander. You got this.
Yeah.
You got this. Yes.
Like a champ.
So happy. I like the way there's like a bit of a traffic jam or something.
Yeah, I'd love to know why they've chosen the cars they have.
Yeah, I wonder if it was them show cars.
Well, I was going to say one of them is Michael.
Yeah.
Because there's him and a few others, isn't there?
That still stinks.
It does still stink.
Still stunks.
Can confirm, still stunks.
Undoing window to release the stunk.
Should we go hard this time?
Go for it. What's the worst happening? You get stuck?
Yeah. Tops.
It's when you find out it's the mud run.
No, I don't think so.
The mud run that's not mud run. It's when you go, no, I regret my decision.
Right. Oh no.
Bit interesting getting out.
I'm just going to welly.
Yeah.
Ready?
It seems to work for you, yeah.
Yes!
Nicely done.
Did it?
I love the way that your default thing for everything. I'm just going to welly.
Well, the thing is, I think if you don't welly there, I'm not sure how you'll get out of it. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just watch that mirror for me.
Yeah, I am.
All good? Yep. I can't watch both sides because of how close it is.
For them, you'd be much better off putting them in.
Yeah, but it's sometimes hard to gauge where you are. Oh, look, another water one.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder if you go through the easy, whether it's as weavy as last time.
Yeah.
I've got to trust there's nobody in there.
A little bit. There's no rescue vehicle, so,
No.
you know, good luck.
Hey. I hate that bit.
Ah.
Hate
So
that
does the
bit.
car.
Oh, seatbelt's locked. I actually
Bad
can't
time.
move.
Bad time for it to be locked, eh? It feels like you're drifting.
I am. I have not very much control right now.
Cool. You're very low in the revs.
I'm kind of floating my way through pretty much.
That's better.
You happen now.
Yeah. It just looked like it was just above idle.
Look at the wave I've got.
I know, it looks so spectacular.
I feel like this is going to sound really bad, but can I get a good what's it called? Barrel wave? Bow wave?
Bow wave.
Bow wave.
B-O-W,
Barrel wave. I feel like I can get a good one of them going. I don't know how I do it.
Do you know what's the worst part about being in the water?
What's that?
I get sweaty so quick because it's so humid.
It's horrid, isn't it?
It's horrible. Whee! I like that bit. Everything moves under your wheels.
Yeah, it does.
I like the way if you go through there, you can miss all this out.
Yeah. Why would I do that?
No, exactly.
But no, it's like, I don't know how you get a wave like that going, but I seem to nail it a lot of the time.
I think all the time, it's just consistency with the speed.
It's funny because I think a lot of people go bang straight into the water, and I feel like that's not the way to do it, is it? It's kind of going in slowly, but not too slowly. Yeah, my speaking might change a little bit for a minute.
Suddenly seem to slow down.
Way up.
Nice.
Freelander ones have got this easier, they're smaller, aren't they?
Is this the bit you got stuck on last time?
No,
or is
it's
it
further
further
around.
up?
I don't know, it might be.
Do you know what? An auto would be a godsend.
A little bit, but that's boring.
Of course it is.
Oi! I wish you could sometimes see what
know.
But actually, no, I don't. I don't wish. This is the bit that's stuck.
That was
Fucking
me.
hell, don't do that.
That was my foot. It slipped.
No sudden movements, please. No, this is the bit, remember?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it a bit closer to that one. Yeah? And then bring it around a bit later. And then hit that tree that's in front of me.
Probably. I then get stuck on this bit.
No, look. There we go. Bit more momentum. Is that mirror okay?
Yep. All good. You got fag paper.
I ain't got much behind for the back either.
You got a fag paper.
Let's just excuse how close I was to the tree.
Yeah,
exactly. That was much. I think I turned a little bit too early last time.
Are you sweating yet?
Almost. Wait, is this the easy route? What's the hard route then? There was a sign there saying easy.
Oh really?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, maybe on lap number 2.
The thing is, there isn't a sign that says hard.
No.
So, I'm not sure. Sorry, I feel like this needs a bit of concentration. Good. I don't know if that tree sticks out. Hope not, because if it does, I'm going to hit it.
You'll go both.
Do trees move?
Yeah, can you imagine?
Do they give you a little bit of tolerance? Sorry, Scott, we're now at 33.6 miles per gallon.
That is shocking.
We've lost 2 in the time we've been doing this.
Can you do more economic off-roading, please?
Should we reverse throughout the course and see if we get it back? Yep, carry a little bit more speed through that. I wish that I wish that videos showed the speed. Oh, look.
Oh no.
Tape's given up.
Tape's given up.
Tip down. Way, hey, hey.
Wiggle and wave. Wiggle and wave.
Doing.
Doing.
There's sometimes a bit of a disconcerting noise, I must admit.
A little bit. Do you know what? If you ever need to do reservoir, come round here to bleed the power steering reservoir.
Yeah.
Soon bleed it out.
I feel like I've got a bit more confident with this one.
I was going to say.
I'm worried with that confidence it means I'm going to hit something.
There's more of a flow going on.
Yeah, I feel like I'm sort of not so duh.
But then again, I think it was quite shocking first time round when we were like,
a little bit, just how tight it was.
I was expecting it to be tight, but I didn't expect it to be quite that tight.
You know how you can't judge the length of this car without the parking sensors? I think you'd struggle.
You think?
Sorry to
Is this the part where you bonk the car now?
Yeah, probably.
Could you imagine?
The irony.
You're taking the mickey out of me, then bonk.
Well, no, but you can't judge the end of the bonnet when you're parking in Tesco's.
But that's why you got sensors.
Yeah, but that's boring. Look at that, like a champ. I think even the car behind me wasn't sure whether I was going to make that then. Is it because I'm a woman? Is it because women can't drive?
Yeah.
And they're always driving with a dent? And I'm not.
Technically, we have got a dent. We've got a couple of dents.
Well,
but
yeah,
not
but they're
from
not
you
big.
driving.
Yeah, exactly.
Squeaky.
I pretty much just put myself in the tape then. I have no clue why. This one is odd because the camber of the tree.
Yeah, it kicks outwards. And I think you can put a window through quite easily.
Exactly.
I wish I had a 360 camera right now.
Yeah.
Because it'd be incredible footage. Dong.
That's the aerial, isn't it?
Dong dong.
I think.
It is.
Go over the log.
But then you hear
yeah, probably.
and you're like, I wish I hadn't gone over the log.
That'd be unfortunate, wouldn't it?
A little bit.
Like a champ. And we go round. But the only time I'll palm the wheel on this course.
We're free.
I'm not going to avoid that bit that Paul did this time. Was it here?
I think so.
I can't work out if the car that's behind is the one that we saw last time. No, it wasn't, because this is the mud thing, so we've got to go that way. I think, because that's the way we went last time. The non-mud run.
To be fair, like, it literally looks like you could just drive through that.
Yeah, the car behind me is going through it. I just don't see the fun in that.
No.
I see less fun in that being quite that dry.
Yeah.
As when it was wet.
I can't believe how dry it is. Considering we've had rain.
I can't believe. Could you imagine how rocky that would be?
It looks horrendous as far as like rocking.
It's like
goes.
here, look.
Yeah. I was gonna say I can't believe how we've had rain. It's not as if it's been like completely dry and it's just gone.
It shows how dry it must be actually, because that Freelander that's just gone through it's just come out behind me that quickly, like. Do you like the way when we come to water, I'm like window.
Yeah. Do you think it's washing all the mud away from the first course?
I hope so.
I think I know why this is called Lakeside course. Ready? Donk.
Sploosh.
Splooshy splosh.
It's like then I get a good wave going. I don't know how I do it. Wait, I forgot about that bit.
I love the way that one of your hands, I don't know what happened, but it seemed to slip off the steering wheel.
I just let go with one hand temporarily.
To be fair, I wasn't expecting that either.
The worst thing is I was, because I remember it from last time, but I still forgot. Sorry, Freelander.
The worst part is I'm not going all for the car. I'm going all for me getting shook around.
My seatbelt's going to go. You're going to come out today with whiplash.
Whiplash. Broken rib.
Why can't you come into work on Tuesday? I've got whiplash. Yeah. How did you get whiplash? Did you have an accident? No, you were thrown off.
The worst part is I feel like some of this is worse than an accident.
But it's way, when I got rear-ended in the van, it wasn't as bad as
exactly. I like that car.
I know, it still looks very clean.
It looks very nice.
Do you think at the end of tomorrow it will look dirty, or do you think that's just it?
That's just it. Oh yeah, can we open them again?
I don't know.
I feel like it's not the end of the water.
I feel like this car in front's a little bit slower than I am.
Maybe, but you're such a rebellious driver.
I am, aren't I? I am so bad.
You're being very antisocial.
Totes.
Ready? There you go. Oh!
It's that bit. Honestly, it's that bit. But the thing is, I do think that shackle's making it worse.
Yes, I feel for the shackle. I don't think we're ever undoing that.
I think that's stuck. The thing is, we need to get some guard off.
We're angle grinding it or something.
I think we might be.
Oh, I feel for that shackle. I do feel like if it weren't for the water parts, I'd be like, look, let's take it off.
Yeah, definitely.
Like, I know one thing. Bits like this would be cool for me to jump out, but
there is a car way behind. Give it a go if you want, if you can run.
Nah.
No?
I'll do it
on the next one.
Yeah, the next one.
That means you're not driving then.
I was going to say, I'll be a bit more, like...
Ready?
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, every time. I do like the way you can hear the wheels because they're lifted off the ground. I
think there's like a couple of wheels off, isn't there? Oh, this is the bit that we went round.
I think it's the pressure, because instead of having near on 2 ton of pressure on the wheels, they've then got almost like just a ton. How's your seatbelt?
Yeah, it keeps locking. It's doing my head in.
Accident.
I know.
Oh, could you imagine? Ready? Oh.
I thought I'd carry a bit of momentum down that one that time.
You know these cars that dial the emergency services when in a crash? I reckon if you were doing that in this and it did that, it constantly dialed the emergency services, being like, "Have you been involved in an accident?" No, we're just off-roaded.
Definitely.
And then 10 minutes later, you've been involved in a crash. Nope, we're still off-roaded.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is the bit we avoided.
Yeah, it is. That's why I'm not avoiding that. Ready?
Yep.
Wow.
Woohoo! I like the way you're like 1 foot lower than what I am right now.
Yeah, I am. How's the weather up there?
Oh, it's great. Can you get out?
Wow. I think I can get out easier than you. Oh. That's quite cool, actually. I like that.
That really is.
It's how you're literally sideways.
Time is going to whiz away from us today.
Massively. Wow, it's 3:45.
Exactly. That's
what
I'd
say go back, have a drink and something, and then we'll work out what we're doing.
Exactly.
I feel like we're probably only going to get another run in anyway, aren't we?
I don't know with this one. I don't feel like it's pounding. It's like the front of the car's getting a pound in. Yeah. But I think the rest of the car isn't getting quite so much of a pound in.
No, probably true. The underneath definitely isn't.
Yeah. I was going to say, it does feel a bit, I say gentler in the grand scheme of things, you know what I mean?
But it's just water. That's the only thing this time around, isn't it? How many times do you want to push the water?
Yeah.